Hi, I'm Anna, and I can answer your important questions about ePlan Education. Who is eligible to use the student version of ePlan Education? Are you a student, apprentice, or trainee? Then you have the opportunity to receive an ePlan Education for Students license for free. How do I get the license? Just visit eplansoftware.com/students. Follow the link, download ePlan Education, and register with an account. You can then download and install the software. Our installation instruction video on our website shows you the step-by-step process for installation and registration. On eplan.com, you have access to numerous e-learning materials. Can I continue to work on class homework or projects at home? Yes, you can. But beware, student licenses are limited to 40 pages of schematics, so larger projects cannot be opened. My ePlan Education license has expired, but I still need it for my schooling or training. How can I extend it? It isn't possible to extend the license. However, you are welcome to register again if you are continuing your training or further studies. How and where can I get help with problems? You can find answers in our FAQs on our website or just write an email to education@eplan.de. You can find a general overview of eplansoftware.com/students.